What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about why one trade a day will change your life as well as make you a profitable trader. Around here, we call that one shot, one kill. Listen, guys, I try to expose myself to the market as little as possible. And on that journey, for me, it's about taking high quality trades each and every day, but one time a day. One shot, one kill. Think about it like this, guys. If you know someone who is taking multiple trades a day, I'm talking 5 to 10 in one day, 20 to 30 a week. Okay, ask yourself why. Why would someone do that? The more trades you take, the more exposed you are to the market. Remember, market makers are designed to try to take your money. And so if we can reduce our exposure and limit the amount of trades we take, one trade a day, not only can you get more bang for your buck, you can also take yourself out of the rat race so you're not part of all the commotion that goes on in the trading market. Remember, you only need a couple of good trades a month to be a profitable trader. I come on each and every day, and please make sure you guys like and subscribe and join us on the journey if you haven't already. Part of what I like to do each and every day is kind of show you guys the journey, okay? And for me, my goal when I started out was making $100 a day. I tried to set my goal not only to be realistic, but something that was attainable once I learned and mastered the skill. But remember, guys, on that journey, I had to first be okay with learning how to lose, because learning how to lose eventually helped me learn how to succeed. So know that losses will be a part of your journey. In fact, you need to fail in order to grow. So right now, guys, if you have losses, meaning if you have traded before and took a loss, understand that is part of the tuition you pay to learn this game. All right. And you need to fail, because I'll tell you this, guys, I've learned far more on my trading journey from my failures than I do my wins. Okay, the wins feel good, the wins build confidence, but the failures build sustainability. The failures let you know what not to do. And you always want to know, in order to scale and duplicate your success, you always want to know how to replicate it time and time again. You don't want to get lucky. You don't want to have one play hit and then you lose the next 10 times you trade. You want to know consistently, I can come out each and every day, whether I'm trading one time a day or 2 times a day, but I know what I'm looking for. I have a game plan. I know the setups I like, and then I'm going to be ready to strike. That's what it comes down to. You need to fail in order to grow. My motto has always been one shot, one kill. I love and specialize in trying to be surgical on my trading pursuit. But check this out, guys. For me, I trade between 9:30 and 11:30. Okay, maybe 12 depending on the day. But guess what? I'm not in the market all day. Why? Because the more you're in the market, the more your capital is exposed and at risk. And so for me, I try to come in each and every day after I do my DD, after I know and have identified setups that I want to take advantage of. From there, I'm in and out. I'm in and out. Get in and get out. Don't overstay your welcome. Don't get greedy, because if you do, you will pay. Remember, on the journey, guys, sometimes we lose. Sometimes we get it wrong, especially me. I'll be the first to tell you, I'll be the first to put my hand up. I have more losses than one can count. However, it's okay to be wrong, but it's not okay to stay wrong. Okay? It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. So what does that mean? You have to then, once you identify, oh, I'm on the wrong side of the trade, I need to cut my loss. Man, I continue to lose. I'm on a losing streak. I'm in a slump right now. Could be because you're over trading. If you have been one that has failed to cut your losses, failed to use a stop loss, found yourself over trading, if you can identify with that, you can identify with me. I've been there. We all have been there on our journey. Okay. But remember, guys, it's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. So you need to get on the right side of the trade. And that requires you to cut your loss, have a short-term memory, maybe jot it down, make a note of it so you can go back and reflect in your journal about your trading journey. But then you got to get right back in the game. You can't let one loss cause you to lose 2 or 3 other times consecutively after that, because you're still thinking about that one play. get over it, have a short-term memory, and let's move on to the next one. I'm very big on trying to achieve a high win rate. But one way you have to do that is by taking one trade a day. It helps to increase that win rate. But the one thing that takes away from that is over trading. If you guys have ever caught yourself over trading, make sure you like and subscribe. You need to be part of my family because we need to do away with that. We need to help you overcome that, okay? Over trading could sometimes wipe away a otherwise good trading day. You might have went 3 for 3. And you just had to get one more trade before you got out for the day. And ironically, that happened to be the trade that didn't go your way. But on top of that, it was a loss that was big enough to wipe out the gains you actually did have. If you ever been there, again, like and subscribe. Listen, guys, I'm here to tell you about one shot, one kill. Be surgical in this game. Be surgical in this market, guys. One trade a day will change your life, but also it will help you become a profitable trader. Why? Because you only need a couple good days a month to be profitable versus sitting around trading every little tick, every little second of the day, putting yourself at risk, putting your capital at risk, and exposing yourself to market conditions. Try to eliminate that. And if you can, guys, join us on the journey. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please make sure you like and subscribe. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.